people, welcome to the Politricks watch. This is RP. Now, as is often the case, this one is very likely to offend, but I'm sure you will survive. You've heard worse and you will hear worse. Today I'm going to be talking about the fact that I'm seeing my papers. Woke Canada. Right. Free up visa for a whole heap of countries. Irie man was one of them. Enough people upset. People are present all kind of arguments as to why this and why that. You're going to tell them why I'm really upset. And then you're going to get upset. You see, Irie man citizens are hurt because Billy Joe don't reciprocate their love and admiration. You mad cause you have so much reverence for Joe, but he has none for you. We'll start off strong. We'll not build up to them. We'll start off strong. They see Jamaica as a place to have fun and be entertained. Right. But tell them I already say, the world see Irie man as a court jester. When it comes on to serious matters, the court jester gets pushed aside. And for years, for decades now, Irie man citizens have been happy playing the role of the court jester. If these countries really cared about you, why all of them say visa restriction, go do this, go that, prove this, prove that, show me this, show me that. But then for other countries they're like, come on in. Yeah man, let's come on in. Because Irie man citizens brag, oh we do this and we do this, and in the whole world, and in the Caribbean, and we do this and we do that. Yeah man, people say, in Canada, UK, America, people don't even know about the other island them. Right? Everybody just say Jamaican because Jamaicans are the coolest. The coolest. That's interesting. Because the other islands them wanna claim say, these countries don't know or care about, they let them in with no visa. That's strange. The country brand Jamaica is hyper than every other brand. Brand Jamaica is hyper than brand St. Lucia, brand Trinidad, brand Barbados, brand Bahamas. Brand Jamaica is the hypest brand. But there's a difference between hype and substance. Because how comes the hypest brand, the biggest brand? Right? Have visa restrictions. But the so-called nobody brands, they're like, come on in. Don't worry yourself, man. Nobody in the visa, just book your ticket and forward. Irie man, people upset. Every time some foreigner start to make a fool of themselves, tie up them head with one Jamaican flag. If Billy Joe get one kerchief and tie it around him, they can start act loud and vulgar and go up on social media. Then Jamaican citizens start reposting and laugh. Oh my God, see, they love us. See, look at him over there. Remember when Tom Hanks, which one of them celebrity that have one son? Think I did a video on it. Well, I'm look at idle Billy Joe there. Right, you know what fly up in I made, but went through a phase where he was supposedly a yard man. Right. How was he acting? Was he acting smart? Was he acting intelligent? Was he acting reasonable? No. He was acting like a buffoon. Because that is what people associate Irie man with, buffoonery. Anytime one of your favorite foreign celebs, anytime one of your favorite Billy Joe them, right, starts to quote unquote act Jamaican, it's always the same. Loud, vulgar, something to do with badness, something to do with getting high. It's the same story over and over. And you take that as a compliment. That's all they do. Whenever they quote unquote are Jamaicans, they put on this weird accent and basically act a fool, and you eat it up, and you're proud. Look at this, see, everybody love we and love the culture. Love the culture, but don't love the people them. We give them the culture, and don't want those people in them country. That's interesting. They love us, but they make sure only a small percentage of us can get access to their country. That's some love. See, leave Tom Hanks' son alone is because them love we. Them love we. This is why you can't trust Irie Man when he comes on to Billy Joe and Gwyneth's approval. They will slit your throat. Irie Man citizens will slit your throat for Billy Joe's approval. Leave him alone. You're going like a chat much about the man love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Love. And keep throwing around that word love. Man. People say, you know, she said everybody just fly into Irie Man. Because yes, of course. As I say, can have a good time, be entertained. Nobody's denying that. If you want to have a good time and be entertained, Irie Man is the place to be. Right. But them fly go in a Irie Man. Right. Not to say that, but because them also realize that in a Irie Man, them can't do enough things that them can do in them home country. In them home country, them have to be clean. Them can't throw garbage where them want. Them can't be as loud as them want. Them can't do what them feel like when they feel like. But in Irie Man, they can. That's also a part of it that attracts them to Irie Man. When they're home, they're refined. They're sophisticated. They're intelligent. When them drop a Irie Man, them loud, sluggish, and not a sense. And you welcome it with open arms. This is an interesting phenomenon I've observed for years. Even people from culture that are very, very, very traditional and reserved. For example, Japanese culture, very, very reserved. However, when man want behave a certain way, even though it's in Tokyo, in book a ticket go Irie Man, go act a fool. When Miss Japanese princess is walking around Tokyo, she's so behaved and she's so well mannered and clean and pick up trash and everything. Book a ticket go Irie Man, all of a sudden you see her up on her back, I use on concrete block, I beat her front. And that's how I want one day. So people say, it's because them love the culture. Them love Jamaicans, man, them love Jamaicans. Again, that word love. If them really love Jamaica, why not share them tech knowledge, them science knowledge, etc. They're very good at construction, all kind of things. Them have all this knowledge, but they never share it with Irie Man or Irie Man people. Then just book a ticket but skin out them catches. Use concrete block beat it, and then them do all kind of, and then them skin out over here, and then them blah 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 blah, and then after them done, then go back to them country, go act like them have sense again. Since all these different people love me so much, and they come from very sophisticated countries with all kind of knowledge, tell them share the knowledge. Tell them, say, hey, you're very good at tech. You build all kind of cars, share the knowledge. You're very good at building gadgets and phones and share the knowledge. Then you'll see, look on them face. No, my friend, let's come to have good time. That's good time. But you take it as an honor. Let me say, when people who are not from your culture, drop a Irie Man, start to act a fool. They say, see, them love with. And you love them. And then you say, yeah, we're gonna add some more restrictions here, we need less of these people. But you say, but that doesn't make sense because Canadians love Jamaica. Americans love Jamaica, the British them love Jamaica. Every country love Jamaica, right? When them drop a Irie Man, them love the place. So if them love the place so much, why they don't want more of the people them in a fitting place? If them love Jamaicans so much, surely, if me love people from Guatemala, if me go Guatemala, go love Guatemalans. The first thing me I do, right, is to free up, right? Visa restrictions from Guatemala because me want Guatemalans in my country because me love them. How can I go to Guatemala, eat, sleep, party with Guatemalans, say me love them, and then when time me drop back on the plane and Guatemala and say, hey, we are come look for you, say, no, my friend, no, stay over there. That's not love. So people are upset because they welcome Canada with open arms. They welcome Billy Joe from Winnipeg with open arms. And Billy Joe from Winnipeg make a mockery of them to them face, then take it as a compliment. They're like, see, he loves the culture. And then let me say, yeah, we're gonna free up visa for some countries. Iron Man people get excited. Well, we must depend on it because Brand Jamaica is the biggest brand in the Caribbean. Brand Jamaica is the big. Everybody love Jamaica. Look, every minute used to be a celebrity fly down. Yeah, man, they love Jamaica, so we must depend. Oh, what depend it? What them depend it? That look at island there. Oh, them to depend it, we no depend it. Hurt and upset. Cope. Court jesters don't get respect. Until Jamaicans start to take themselves and their culture seriously, until Jamaicans start making it clear to people, hey, you can have fun, eat food and all them things about this wallipper, but foolery, right? When you feel say, identify or make somebody identify as Jamaican, cut it out. When you do a Jamaican skit online, act like you have sense. Every time somebody do a skit of Jamaicans, it involves buffoonery. You say, oh, we just embrace it. They're embracing the culture. How about this? You go over there, right, go mimic Canadian culture and see what them do. Find out what is traditional Canadian culture, mimic it and see what them welcome you with open arms. Go to Ireland, get for them culture, right, look on them culture and then mimic it as a Jamaican, dress like them, walk like them, right, and make some video skits and see if them are going to comment and say, oh my god, this is so great, we have Jamaicans doing this, they love the culture. Try it now. How about this? Go to Japan, right, or make some videos pretending to be a Japanese, right, and mimic their most sacred and traditional cultures and see if them welcome you with open arms. How about the Germans? Go up on social media, start make a bag of, right, content mimicking German, traditional German behavior, German culture, and see if Germans welcome you with open arms. They will check you quick. They'll be quick to remind you, they are no friend, they run a joke with me. Let's try it now. How about check Scotland? Right, check copy traditional Highlands culture in Scotland. One, not Ireland, Highlands. And see if them find it funny. Just right now. Because when them mock Iron Man culture, because it's mockery, you see it as, oh, they're embracing. It's not embracing, it's mockery. Me and a friend for no way. Right. So I don't know where I do. It's always the same. But I said, because you hold Billy Joe in high regard and high esteem, you consider it an honor. But he holds you in low regard. So when him see you take on theme culture, he's like, hold on, stop there. Don't make me forget dangerous now. But maybe I'm wrong. Put it to the test. Right. Go on to them country there. Right. Go dress like them, walk like them, and talk like them, and talk about, oh, it's because I love the culture. I see them open you. I see them welcome you with open arms. See how quick it takes to get checked. These people treat Iron Man like a booty call. A booty call, you go link a booty call, take what you take. Right. And then you go in your yard, and the booty call can't come link you on the yard. And the booty call can't come turn up, and boy, I'm staying over the night, stay over where, go on where you go. Go on back where you come from. And wait for the next call 3 o'clock in the morning. Right. I'm bored and I have nothing to do. Right. That's how this works. That's how they treat Iron Man. When it's time to have fun, 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm bored and I have nothing to do. Book a ticket for Iron Man. But when the booty call try, hey, we're coming over. Nope, visa restriction. May I come link you? Link what? Your chain? Nope. Hey, Canada, we're coming to visit because, I'm always bragging to people about the course I did in Winnipeg, because that course is so amazing because you gave it to me, even though most of it is rubbish. But because you gave it to me, it's special. Alright, so now I'm going to come over with like 20 of my family. We're going to, oh, what do you mean? What do you mean visa denied? But I thought you said you love Jamaica, love Jamaican culture and the history of the two countries, right? We're close, right? No? That's great. America, remember you said we have a good relationship? So I come link. May I carry 50 of my family? No? Visa restriction? Oh, sorry. last word. UK, King Charles, remember, officially you're the head of state, so I come link you like we are the, no, these are restrictions. But one thing someone did love, Jamaicans, now there's a book ticket and, so, and not a laugh, and I thought that mean that there was some kind of relationship, no? Oh, sorry. Booty call? Oh, okay. Yes. So Canada and them country, they say Ireland is a booty call. You go link a booty call, have your fun, then go back to your yard. And don't come link me. Don't come link me, stay over there, so. If these countries love Ireland so much, they would make it easy. If these people love Jamaicans so much, they would want more Jamaicans in them place. If these people love Jamaicans so much, they would want more Jamaicans in them place. You keep telling me that all these skits and these weirdos I see, quote unquote acting Jamaican, you say they do it out of love and all these people love Jamaica. So why don't they want more Jamaicans in them place? So you're hurt because the love isn't reciprocated. You're hurt because you old Billy Joe and Harry gone, and he could care less. Brand Jamaica is #1. Brand Jamaica is very popular. Jamaica is easily the most popular Caribbean country. When it's time to open the doors, look who them open the door to, and look who them close it on. It's all buffoonery. It's all being loud, being high, acting like some kind of bad man. Look. That's it. You laugh and skinny teeth. However, you should now go to Ireland, right, and mimic, right, Irish culture and see how the Irishman will treat you. Since nothing is wrong with you, just do it and see you. Anyway, H&M Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more live. Politricks Squad, see you circling. Bless.